Early alerts are flags to mark concerns about a student, and by creating an alert and applying it to a student, you're also creating a history of concerns that a student's advisor or the system administrator can access. Alerts are also a way to mark an event that may affect a student's ability to succeed. A system administrator can create new or modify early alerts. So in this demo environment, I'm going to come here, click on Early Alerts, and you'll see I have a couple different views. Right now I'm in View, so I'm just viewing existing alerts. Soon we'll go to Manage and we'll talk about how to edit, retire, and create new alerts. In this view called All Alerts, I can sort this data by any column heading, whether it's status, student, priority. I can sort by the last updated date, the name of the alert, or any notes that were put in as a free-form field. I can also sort by who created the original alert. So here you can see each alert comes with a color-coded tag. So you get to decide if the alert you've created is red for high, orange for medium, or yellow for low. Now, if I switch to the Manage tab up top, this is where I can see all of the alerts that are currently existing. I can see them by their name. This one is concerning when a student's GPA drops lower than a 3.0, and this one might be a financial aid alert. There's a broader description of the alert. There's the priority, and there are different tags. So you can see each alert might have more than one tag. This allows you to sort and export the data on the alerts later. So I can also see for this first alert around a GPA lower than 3.0, I currently have 2 students that had this alert pending and 10 that have closed. Now I can scroll through all of these active alerts, meaning these are all in play and accessible to be applied to a student right now. Or if I unselect this box, I can also see any retired alerts as well. If I want to change an existing alert, like this financial aid alert, and give the description a little bit more detail, I just click on this edit cog over here and click edit. If I wanted to retire it, that's also where I can do this. If I want to edit and make this more descriptive, I can say the student lost their financial aid. So you can see here's the alert name, here's the description, and here's the different tags available. And this is where I could also change whether it's low, medium, or high. Now this is the second part of alerts. When I click next, I'm going to see as I create an alert, there is an option that I don't have to check. And if I don't want anything else to happen, I just click here. But every time this particular alert is applied to a student, I can have several things happen. First, I can choose who receives a communication about this student based on this alert being applied. It can be the student, all system admins, all advisors in the system, or only the assigned advisor for the student. They will receive an in-system email with the subject line here, and this is the actual text. Now you can see you can pull in the student's full name and the student's email. So you can customize this and the system will pull that in automatically. You can also see the different formatting options. You can add links, bullets, and so on. So when I click update, it's going to edit and then update this existing alert, and I'm going to know it was successful by the green checkbox. If I wanted to create a brand new alert from scratch, I can just click on New Alert. I can give it a name, description, choose the tags, select the priority, and then go to the next screen, just as we saw, to create any communication I want to happen automatically every time this alert is assigned. So the last piece we'll look at is reporting. So if you scroll down this table, you can see you can page through all the different results. If you get to a point where you want to export the data, you can name it here. and then click this button to export this data exactly as it's displayed here into a CSV file. We also offer the option to create a custom export. And the custom export shows every field that's possible to pull into this report. And it gives you an example at the bottom of what you're going to pull. So you can deselect all of these and just have the different things that you want to include in this report, and then click export. So that is early alerts. I hope it helps, and we hope you'll come back to learn more about Upswing features.
Recording has